this coming Saturday, February 8th, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., I want to figure out how much it's going to cost me to get the SSP going before I start throwing money into Tar Heel Foxy. I actually have a really messy garage. Finally put a new intro in. Hello, welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and what I want to tell you about today, I have a pretty short video for you, but this coming Saturday, February 8th, from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., I will be at Fox Mustang Restoration where they are having their second Saturday swap. And what they're doing is the second Saturday of the month, every month pretty much. You have to check their website to find out if they don't, but definitely this month they do have it. They invite just all FoxBody people just to come out and do a part swap. So if you want to hang out with other FoxBody people or you have some parts you want to sell, there is no charge at all to sell your parts there. It's just a space where you can come hang out with other FoxBody people, sell parts if you have them. And like I said, this Saturday in particular, I will be there. I missed the first couple. I think this is like maybe the third one that they've had. But I missed the first couple. I will be there this week and I'll be hanging out. I might even be working on the SSP. If you haven't seen that car yet in person and you want to check it out, maybe I'll be working on that day. I'm not sure yet. Not sure if I'm just going to be hanging out or I'm going to be working on the car. But definitely come out. You'll get to see it either way. And actually, there are some celebrities there as well. Well, I'm definitely not a celebrity. I'm not one of them. But there's some other cool people there that you've seen on the channel before. I think Lou Creative, Harris Lou will be there. I believe Ben, ODB Capri with the Capri is going to be there. And also Matt Serbin, Serbinator. I know exactly, he did say he would be there. So, you know, come meet those guys as well or hang out. And it's just going to be a fun time. So if you're local in the Charlotte area, definitely come out to this Saturday. Like I said, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. I will have all the event details down in the description below, so you can check that out and see, or you can go to the Facebook page for Fox Resto. I'll put that up on the screen as well. But definitely come check it out if you can in the area. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope you can make it. The other thing I did want to do in this video is finally put a new intro in. If you've been seeing my videos for a while, I've had the same intro, and actually just as a little hint, I stopped putting the intro in the last several videos. I only put it at the end. And I did the same thing before. This will be the third intro I've ever created. But it's all about threes today, I guess. I keep saying three. Anyway, when I stop putting it at the beginning of the videos, then that means it's probably about time to change. And it's been way too long with that one. So I do have a new intro for you. That is coming up next. And if you want to hang around, I show the old intros as well, in case you haven't seen those, new to the channel. So I'm going to have all three intros stacked up for you. But yeah, other than that, no real progress. The convertible, in case you don't know, we're doing the SSP first. I need to also do a lot of work on this convertible. I need to go through the engine on it, but that is not gonna happen before the SSP. I wanna get the SSP done first. Main reason is I wanna figure out how much it's gonna cost me to get the SSP going before I start throwing money into Tar Heel Fox again right here. So it's Tar Heel Fox, just been sitting here. Actually, it's dirty. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I stuck it in here and this is brand new paint. Just look at this crud all over it. I gotta wash it. I haven't even started it, like, I don't know, probably a couple months. You know, it's just, I'm really not driving it right now. It's just sitting here. This 60-some thousand dollar FoxBody, actually it's more than that now. I think it's up to 66. Anyway, it's just sitting here, not getting any love, and you know, it is what it is. I really need to find out how much I'm gonna put into my SSP first, so I get a better idea of how much I have to spend on this, because I do want to get new heads, different intake, and maybe if I have money left over, maybe we could be looking at boost. I don't know. But yeah, that's what's going on with the cars. If you missed why I haven't been working on the SSP, I talked about that in the last video, so I will link that down in the description below as well. Check that out if you're not sure why I haven't been working on the car. But like I said, I hope to actually work on it this Saturday. So if you're seeing this video before Saturday, February 8th, 2020, then you have an opportunity to come 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. I hope you guys come out and let's go ahead and show you what that new intro looks like. And let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. If you like the new intro or not, you know, just give me some of your feedback on it. enjoyed that intro. I certainly had fun putting it together, and you're gonna see a lot of it now going forward. But I was just looking around my garage here while I was waiting on you guys, and yeah, like I was waiting on you. And I actually have a really messy garage, and I've heard Brutal say that his garage is messy, and his garage doesn't look anything like this. I mean, look, this thing's on the floor here. Got stuff stacked up here just haphazardly. Yeah, I have a actually really messy garage. So, Brutal, if you're watching, I don't know what you're talking about. Or, you know, if you guys let Brutal know his garage is not nearly as bad as Gearhead 704's. I definitely need to work on some of the garage, for sure. But anyway, that's pretty much it today. I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope to see you Saturday at the parts swap that they're having at Fox Mustang Restoration. Second Saturday swap. Hope to see you out there. I am, you know what? I'm gonna bring some of my merch stuff. I have a few shirts left. If you wanna grab a shirt, or I'm gonna bring some stickers out. So I'll have shirts and stickers there, and be great to hang out with you guys. So that's pretty much it. If you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday, and we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.